I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over my top 3 favorite Taekwondo kicks. Now let's get started. The first kick is very basic. It's a roundhouse kick. Now it is a very simple kick, but once you get the technique of a proper roundhouse down, it's pretty satisfying to blast a target with it. Also, there's many variations that you can build off of a roundhouse kick. You can do it back leg, you can do front leg, you can skip forward and throw it, you can spin, do a tornado and throw it. Many different variations once you learn the basic roundhouse kick. Now, a couple quick tips to throw your roundhouse kick. One, you need to make sure that you're pivoting your front foot and your hips as you are throwing your kick, okay? You got to have that pivot down when you throw it. 2, you need to make sure that you are having a good chamber when you throw it as well. Make sure you pick that knee up as you're pivoting. 3, make sure you have a nice snap on that roundhouse. The second kick is an axe or a crescent kick. This one's more my favorite go-to kick for sparring. Specifically, I like ending a combination with this. So what I'll do, I'll set it up with a couple things to the body and then boom, take something right up to the head. A couple tips to help you throw this kick is 1, you need to have good dynamic flexibility. So 1, you need to make sure that you are stretched out, warmed up before throwing this kick. Something that can also help you achieve this is do stretching kicks. Okay, that's really going to help you warm that leg up and help you get your dynamic flexibility up as well. The last tip is make sure that you are chambering your knee. If you're doing an axe kick, make sure that you bring your knee up high and chamber it. That way you get that kick up there. And the third kick is my all-time favorite kick, which is a spinning hook kick. Now, this one's more kind of favorite for everything. It's fun to throw in sparring matches, and it's also fun just to throw in training. Now, this was a very difficult kick to learn. It took me a while to learn this kick, but once I got it down, it was a lot of fun to throw during training, especially mixing it up in some combinations. Now, a couple tips to throw your spinning hook kick. 1, you need to make sure that you have a back kick down. You make sure you have a nice, good back kick and that you can throw it high. From there, once you start learning the spin hook kick, the main thing you need to be focusing on is that whip and that hook of the kick. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see my tutorials on any of the kicks that I did in this video, link is in the description box down below. Definitely go check them out if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.